Good morning, everybody. Students, yesterday we have discussed about conservation methods of our land, in which you have seen that land is very, very vital for us, and about 95% of our needs are met by the land. That is why it is our duty to conserve the land. Today we shall discuss on soil as a resource. Soil is an important gift of nature, there is no doubt. And its uppermost part, that is known as crust, is used by the human being to complete different activities. That is why we shall try to know about the formation of soil. The formation of soil is very complicated. 1 centimeter layer of soil takes millions of years. That is why it is necessary to know about the importance of soil and about its formation. There are a number of factors which play an important role and are also responsible for the formation of soil. These factors are: number one, parent rocks. Parent rocks. Number two, the relief. 3, the climatic conditions. Number 4, natural vegetation. And number 5, time. These 5 factors play an important role in the formation of soil. On the other hand, the soil which we use in different purposes have a number of components. What components are common in the soil? They are the organic materials, the inorganic materials, three, air, and 4, moisture. These 4 things are common in the soil. So in this way, we can say that the formation of soil is very, very complex matter and it takes a lot of time. Now we shall discuss about the classification of soil. Classification of soil. In India, we have different type of soils. These soils have different features such as color, age, thickness, structure, textile, chemical and physical properties. On the basis of these features, soil is classified into different categories. In India, we have 6 types of soils. Number 1, alluvial soil. Number 2, black soil. Black or rigor soil. Number 3, red and yellow soil. Number 4, laterite soil. Number 5, arid soil. Or number 6, forest soil. So in this way, soils are classified into 6 categories, and the classification of soil is completely depend on the topography. India is a vast country. It has different type of topographies in different parts of our country. That is why the whole part of our country can easily be divided into 6 types of soil. And at first, we shall discuss about alluvial soil. This type of soil is found in the plains of our country.
Classification.
Classification. This type of soil is found in Great Northern Plain in India. It is most important fertile soil, and about 40% area of our country is covered by alluvial soil. You know that in the north part of our country there is an important mountain known as the Himalayas. A number of rivers take their origin from the Himalayas. Among them, there are 3 important rivers: the Ganga, the Indus, and the Brahmaputra. They are important rivers which originate from Himalaya. When these rivers is stepping down, they break the rocks and eroded them from up to bottom. In the way, the eroded materials are changed into dust particles. When these eroded materials reaches in the plain, the speed of running water is decreased. The result is the eroded material are deposited on the both side of the river. Later on, the humus mixed in it in the form of trees and plants and dead animals. So with the help of humus, alluvial soil is formed. It is most fertile soil of India too. This soil is can also be divided into two parts, Bangad and Khadar. Both are alluvial soil. So what is Bangad and what is Khadar? The old alluvial soil is known as Bangad, and the new alluvial soil is known as Khadar. The new alluvial soil that is known as Khadar is more fertile than the Bangad. So in this way, the alluvial soil can also be divided into two parts, Bangad and Khadar. The alluvial soil is found in India in Great Northern Plain, in which the states of Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, some parts of Bihar and Bengal, except it, the deltas of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. In these areas too, alluvial soil is found. Alluvial soil suited for different type of crops: wheat, rice, maize, sugarcane, and so on. Different type of crops are grown in such type of soil. Second important soil is known as black or regular soil. This type of soil is formed with the eruption of volcanoes. When a volcano erupts, magma comes out in the shape of lava and it is spread on the surface of the earth. With the time, the lava cools down and this type of soil is formed. That is why the color and texture of this soil is black. It has also been given the name of cotton soil, because black soil most suitable for cotton crops. That is why it has also been given the name of cotton soil. This soil is found in many parts of our country, in which Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Malwa, Madhya Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh. These are the states where black soil is found. Next, red and yellow soil. Red and yellow soil. This type of soil is found in the areas that receive less rainfall, and it have the content of iron. That is why it looks red and yellow. This soil is found in Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Eastern Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Jharkhand, and it supports the crops of cotton, wheat, rice, pulses, millet, tobacco, and oilseed. Next is laterite soil. This soil is found in the area that receive heavy rainfall. The laterite word has been derived from the Latin word later, means bricks. The color of laterite soil looks like bricks. That is why it has been given the name of laterite soil. This type of soil is found in Odisha, West Bengal, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, Bihar, Assam and Meghalaya. Next is arid soil. This type of soil is found mostly in desert area, that is Thar desert in India. The state is Rajasthan. But the some parts of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat, this type of soil is also found. This soil is composed of gravel and red sandstone. Although the area of arid soil get minimum rainfall, that is about 50 centimeter per annum, that is why it is less fertile. But in the presence of water, in the presence of irrigation, rich crops can be grown in arid soil also. For example, in Rajasthan, a canal has been built named Indira Canal. In the area that covered by Indira Canal is rich for the crop of wheat. Record production of wheat in the some parts of Rajasthan with the help of Indira Canal. And last is the forest mountain soil. Forests are mountain soil. This type of soil is found in mountainous belt, mountainous area. That is why there is lack of humus. That is why it is unfertile. But in the valleys of mountains, this soil is fertile and it is generally used for plantation agriculture. It is most suited for plantation agriculture such as tea and coffee. So here I have told you about the classification of soil. Now we shall discuss about soil erosion and it would be discussed tomorrow. Note down some questions. Name the areas where alluvial soil is found. Second, what is the main feature of arid soil in India. Explain the causes of soil erosion. That's all. Thank you very much.